Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling, and today we cooking with me, AB. Today I'm going to show you how I make my fajitas. We're going to do two different types of fajitas. We're going to do chicken fajitas, and then we're going to do steak fajitas. And then I put a little twist in there, so it really would be the third one. And we're going to say we're going to do a combination fajita, which would be chicken and steak. And you know, the traditional veggies, you know, things of that nature. What I want to do right now is get right into my rating system. Now this is super easy. You know, besides cooking on the stove, like, you know, preparing your chicken, getting that to the right temperature, you know, internally, and heating up your steak and getting that cooked properly. Outside of that, man, this is like I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 3. You see that? 3. Very easy. Then when you put it together, you can put it in separate dishes, put it out on your plate, put it out on your table, and then you can ask your family just to go ahead and serve and make them how they want to. Some people use cheese. I use cheese. I got guacamole. I got the traditional veggies. You know, gotta have the lime. When you say, listen, when you say fajita, you gotta have the limes. Got the limes. So here's a little sneak peek of what we're gonna have. So with no further ado, let's get it in.